Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. I'm out driving and I forgot the adapter that holds the GoPro in its normal place. So I want to do a driving video because I'm in a lovely location. So I'm just going to have to jam the GoPro as it is there into the section of the dashboard leaning against the windscreen. Hopefully it will work, but it's because I'm out. I want to do a drive. We're going from Wittersham to Appledore. Lots of back country lanes. We started some kind of cul-de-sac here in Wittersham. I'm sure this will be fine. I'll be able to zoom in and crop and all of that kind of stuff. But you only need me for the intro and the outro, really, don't you? But this is a very quiet little road. As we go through Wittersham and then leave Wittersham, it's just all kind of windy lanes. I really like it. Bends in the road, slow in the road. Lovely, quaint little town. Or village. It's a village, isn't it? It's not a town. Goes through Stone in Oxony. I think Wittersham sits on what's called the Isle of Oxony. Way back when, in the days of yore, the coast came up, what we now know as the coast of, New Romney and Rye and all of that stuff. It was all submerged. So, of course, eventually it got reclaimed. But all of these little villages have a history of seafaring. So this would have had inlets and outlets and rivers going around it. There, the sign, Wittersham, Isle of Oxony, it says. Nice host house. I think this is the Weald of Kent, because it's just on the outskirts of Tenterden and it stretches across till you get into Sussex. And it's in Sussex that Paul McCartney has a home. Left-hand turn up ahead. Junction, rather. And the sign says Ebony. And the reason I mentioned McCartney is because there's a place called Ebony just round here. And knowing how McCartney has a flair for writing songs, give him a piece of paper and a subject, boom, he's got a song. And I wonder if he must have been driving these lanes and kept seeing Ebony. I thought, I must write a song that has Ebony in it. In his Liverpool accent. Not very good at Liverpool accent. Unless you start off with, hey, better write a song about Ebony. I see a windmill up ahead. Right, we're going left here. Towards Ebony. You keep singing it in your head, don't you? I think this is about an 8-mile drive, so technically about 8 minutes. Avoiding the potholes. But when you drive a country lane like this, as much as you want to stay to the left, you can actually kind of hang it into the middle a little. But then when you see a bend like this, pull back again. But I'm obviously watching for the road because there may be potholes ahead. There's a song in there somewhere. There may be potholes ahead. Judy, you're crazy. But we love you. Yeah, I'm heading to Appledore to continue my photography series of discovering hidden villages of Kent with my camera. So if you're not on my photography channel yet, there's a link up here. And after this video, I'm going to have a walk around Appledore and take some pictures. Left-hand bend. Royal Military Canal that way, which I will see when I get to Appledore. Tight bend. Oh, it makes a change from busy town centres and traffic lights and roundabouts, just doing a nice country drive. Another roast house. They're all over the place. Right, the only thing I'm conscious of and being weary of is farm traffic, you know, tractors and trailer type things, especially on narrow lanes like this and blind bends. So it wouldn't do to go racing around here. 40 miles an hour into Stone in Oxeney. Playground ahead. Look at that old house. Oh, it's a country bistro, the Crown. Wonderful. Still a 40 zone. Currently doing 28. To a national speed limit. Ooh, Ebony that way. Appledore 1 3/4 miles, so we're nearly there. Look at that willow, beautiful. I think we've got Humpback Bridge coming up. There's the sign. I think it's just Hump Bridge, isn't it? Now, where the traffic has been coming tearing over, I have to give way to oncoming traffic. There's a car parked on the right. People have done the jump and then crashed on the dip. As you can see, there's a dip there. So you go over and then it does that. Sun is shining, the weather is sweet. If I've still got battery power on the DJI after I've walked around Appledore, I might just do a drive from Appledore to Rye along the Military Canal Road. 5-minute drive, but it'd be worth knocking one out, right? Channel is slowly growing. Every time I check, there's another new subscriber, so thank you if you're the new subscriber. And of course, thank you to everyone else who's still sticking with me. Right, we go right here. bend. Nice row of country cottages there. And we arrive at Appledore. Nous avons arrivé. Probably totally wrong. Something stuck in my head. Old church there. And we've got a public house. Where shall I stop? Just on the left here, I think. Just to stop the video, I'm going to park in that car park back there. So that was Wittersham to Appledore, just taking a meandering country run through ebony and stone. Not ebony and ivory, ebony and stone. Yeah, stay tuned. I might knock out another one, Appledore to Rye via the Royal Military Canal. We'll see how things go. It may end up on the channel, or I might not do it. Anyway, thanks for watching, bearing with. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Drive with care.